What's up, guys? Today we're back with another video, and today we are gonna fix the Amazing Spider-Man downloading profile. You see, when you go in like the app and stuff, you go in the app. See, you go in the app. Wait until you load, and yeah, it will say downloading profile. So yeah, I found a way to fix that, and you see it's downloading profile. So close the app and then go into airplane mode, and then go to the Amazing Spider-Man again, and then click OK. And you can play Amazing Spider-Man with internet now, but yeah, without internet now. So yeah, yeah. You see, you can now play the Amazing Spider-Man 2 without being connected to the internet. Please connect online just one time to retrieve your last save. The last save is just downloading profile, and it takes so long, and boom, and when you're done, you can go to turn on it back, and yeah, and you can see, alright, see, it works perfectly fine.
You'll save a lot on medical bills if you give up now.
Fight the gang and stuff. So, yeah.
It's like you're moving in slow motion. See you next time. It looks like the police need my help.
Guys, if you want the Amazing Spider-Man 2 walkthrough video, if you want it, comment down below. You can comment down below, and if you want it to walkthrough stuff, you can like find an intro and stuff, or like a tutorial of it. So yeah, Amazing Spider-Man walkthrough. If you wanna Amazing Spider-Man maybe take a little bit longer
That was fun. Not.
Yeah, my upload schedule is bad, so yeah, it's gonna take a little bit long, maybe like at February 17 or something, so yeah. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more tutorials. Anyways, peace out and see ya.